Hello guys, happy Monday. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lobstr Wallet. Lobstr is a leading platform for managing Stellar Lumens and other assets issued on the Stellar network. So guys, if you want to use Lobstr Wallet, you have to download Lobstr Wallet on your app store, The spelling of Lobstr is Lobstr. So guys, after downloading Lobstr Wallet, you will transfer XLM tokens from your crypto exchange to your Lobstr wallet. So guys, you can store your XLM tokens in this wallet. You can also store projects on Stellar inside this wallet. So guys, on the Lobstr wallet platform, you click on assets. When you click on assets, you will see different categories: memes, DeFi, stable coins, and all types. When you click on memes, you will see all meme coins, on the Stellar network. These are meme coins on the Stellar network. So guys, if you want to buy any of them, conduct your research before you buy. Let me use Doge as an example. If you want to buy Doge, you click on swap. So guys, you will swap from XLM, to Doge. So make sure you have XLM tokens in your wallet, So guys, you are going to swap from XLM tokens, to Doge. You will do the same for other meme coins listed on Stellar, yeah. So guys, if you click on DeFi, you will see DeFi projects on the Stellar network. Conduct your research before you buy any of them. If you want to buy PHO, you click on swap. Make sure you have XLM tokens. So guys, you will swap from XLM to PHO. So this is how to buy projects on Stellar using Lobstr Wallet. If you click on stable coins, if you have XLM, you can buy any of this, So guys, don't forget this, If you click on all types, click on native tokens, you can buy SHX, So guys, this is one of the top projects on Stellar. So you can buy SHX, Make sure you have XLM tokens, So you will swap from XLM to SHX. So guys, you can buy all projects, These are projects on the Stellar network. So if you have XLM tokens, you can buy any of them, Conduct your research before you buy. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe, share, and comment.